Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the problem which we face, and the problem is that the library is not installed. So you have installed the Revit, but you are not able to load the families from the library because the library is not there. And to show the issue, we can go to I can go to Insert tab and then click on Load Family. And when I go to Load Family, you can see that there's nothing. Like there are no folders for the categories, doors, windows, sort of things. So the library is not installed. So how to fix this problem is now Autodesk has made this very easy. What you need to do is just go to the manage.autodesk.com. I'm now going to take you to the browser. So now you can see the Google Chrome, and on the Chrome you just have to type manage.autodesk.com, and then it will land you over here. When you have logged in, if you're not logged in, it will just prompt you to log in. Once you have logged in, you will come over here on this particular home page of this, and then you have to click on all products and services. From this particular tab, you can manage all your Autodesk products, like whatever software you have installed, you will be able to manage from here. Then after that, you can also search over here, let's say Revit, and then you will see this and click on the Revit, and then from here you can select the version what you are using of Revit. Let's say in our case it is 2023, so I'll select this, and then if you come down, you will see there are these three tabs: updates. If there are any patch versions of Revit which you need to update, you can see 1.3 is there. Then licensing services and all those things, right? After that, you have extensions. Even you can go to extensions and install any extension, but we are going to focus right now on the libraries. If you come to libraries, from here you can see, let's say I need to install US English content for Revit 2023. But if you want to install any library, just come over here and click on download. Then what will happen, it will download the .exe file. Once this file is downloaded, it's a very straightforward process. You just have to double click on the file, and the standard installation process you have to follow. And once the process ends, you will be able to see the library directly installed in the correct directory of Autodesk folder, right? So after downloading the file, I have double clicked on the file .exe file, and it is extracting all the files, right? Once it is done, once it is completed, then the library will be installed, as I said, in the correct directory. And you can see it's still processing, and you just have to click over here, yes, and then yeah. So now you can see that Autodesk US English content for Revit 2023. Click on install, and now it will install. Once the installation is completed, you will be able to see the library in the correct directory. So can you see now that installation is complete, and just click on finish. Then we are going to verify it if it is installed or not. So to do that, go to Insert tab, click on Load Family, and then if you see over here, there is this folder which is added US, and click on this. Now you can see all the elements are here, all the families are here, right? So this is how you can fix this issue. It's very simple. Just follow the steps, you'll be able to do it. So thanks for watching this video.